Hi everyone, here is a quick tutorial on how to order your credit reports to enroll with TruPath Credit. It really is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you'll click this link to create your Identity IQ account. This is the page you'll be directed to when you click the link to set up your Identity IQ account. Please click the Get Yours Now button and follow the steps to complete your account setup. Please also remember or write down your username and password, as you'll need that for one of the following steps. Checking your credit here will not hurt your credit score. However, there is a $1 charge for this 7-day trial account. We will send you cancellation information within 1 business day of receiving your login information. Keeping your Identity IQ account is not a requirement for this program. However, if you'd like to continuously monitor the changes happening to your credit report, you will be charged $21.99 a month if you choose to keep your Identity IQ account. Otherwise, please cancel once you've received written permission from your credit specialist to cancel. Once you've completed your Identity IQ account setup, come back to the email and come to Step 2 to sign the consent form. Clicking the link in Step 2 to sign the consent form will bring you here. You'll enter your email address and click Verify your email address. Once you've clicked the Verify Email button, you'll then be instructed to go to your email inbox to review the document that needs to be signed. In your email inbox, you'll have an email from HelloSign. The email will have a button that says Review Document, which you'll click to sign the document. Clicking Review Document in your email will bring you to the document online that needs to be signed, giving us permission to look at your credit report. In order to complete the document, you'll simply click Get Started and it will walk you through the steps of completing this form. Once you've signed and submitted your consent form from Step 2, you'll come back to your email to complete the final step, which is to submit your Identity IQ login information that you created in Step 1. You'll click this link to do so. Clicking the link in Step 3 will bring you to this page to enter your login information that you created in Step number 1 while creating your Identity IQ account. First, you'll enter your first and last name into the top field. The second field will be your username. Typically, this ends up being your email address unless you specifically changed it. Then, you'll list the password that you created for your Identity IQ password. Please then enter the last 4 digits of your social security number, and checking this box confirms that you completed Step 2 by signing your consent form. Once you have submitted your login information for your Identity IQ account, you can expect to hear from your credit specialist within 1 business day by text and email, prompting you to set up an appointment for your action plan review. We're looking forward to reviewing your credit report and putting together your action plan. If you have any questions, please email us at hello@TruPathCredit.com.